Lock laces. I love them. If I could, I'd use them for every pair of shoes I own. But here's the thing. Shoes wear out. Laces don't. This pair, they've seen their last run. But these lock laces, still in good shape. So instead of tossing them out, I'll reuse them. Here's how. First, grab a small flathead screwdriver. Then grab your old shoes with the lock laces. So here's the trickiest part. There are two sides to the latch. One has this little divot right here, and the other side doesn't. Now, you might think that the divot must be for the screwdriver. But nope, it's actually the other side, the smooth one. That's where you want to press your screwdriver into. Give it a careful push, don't jab it, and the latch will pop right open. Once it's open, you can slide the laces out of the old shoe. Thread the same lock laces into your new pair. Just lace them like you normally would. For mine, it goes from the outside in. Then just feed the ends back into the lock. Because it's an older lock, you might find it kind of dusty and hard to press down to open. But I believe in you. You can do it. After you've tried it on for tightness, you can press the latch down until it clicks, and boom. You've just saved however much this lock lace cost. Let's be real, triathlon isn't cheap. Between race entries, gear upgrades, nutrition, and travel, the costs add up fast. So, wherever I can save, I do. Want to follow along on my endurance sports journey? Check out these playlists right here and don't forget to subscribe.